In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embrace A/B testing on Shopify. We're going to install a reliable testing app and walk through launching your first experiment, so you can confidently optimize pages and lift performance. Start inside your Shopify admin. Head to the Apps section, then choose the option to add apps. This opens the Shopify App Store, where you'll use the search bar to find Shogun A/B testing. When you see the app listing, open it and select Install. Approve the permissions and billing prompt so the app can connect to your store, then review the plan options and choose the one that fits your needs. You can always upgrade later as your testing roadmap grows. Once Shogun opens, you'll land in its testing workspace. Here, you can preview the different test types to learn what each one controls. Explore the Pages option for testing individual pages, templates for reusable layouts, theme for broader design changes, and split URL if you want to compare separate URLs against each other. A quick preview helps you choose the right path before you commit. To see how settings look in practice, open an example like prices. This is a useful way to understand where variants, goals, and targeting live. If you open an element or highlight a component in the editor, feel free to discard those changes to return to a clean slate. No harm done. The goal is to get comfortable before running a live test. From the main app area, start a new test. Choose to start a page test when you're ready to focus on a single page. Next, pick the page you want to optimize. This could be a product detail page, a landing page, or a collection. Selecting the right page matters. Prioritize high traffic or high impact pages so you reach conclusions faster. Now set your primary success metric. You can track conversion for purchases, click-through if you care about button or link engagement, form submission for lead capture, revenue per visitor when you want revenue efficiency, or average order value if you're testing pricing, bundles, or upsells. Choose the one metric that best matches the purpose of your experiment to keep results clear and actionable. When your page and metric are selected, save your configuration. That locks in the structure of your test so you can move on to building variants and launching with confidence. A quick tip before you go live. Aim for a fair traffic split. Avoid changing variants mid-test and allow enough time for statistically reliable results based on your traffic and conversion rate. That's it. Your Shopify store is set up to embrace A/B testing with Shogun. Save your settings,